You know how sometimes you get those urgent customer requests that just throw a wrench into your whole ERP schedule?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I've seen that happen a lot.
Like when a customer needs an order shipped way earlier than planned.
Right. Yeah.
Trying to make those changes without messing up everything else in the system can be a real headache.
Yeah, for sure.
Today, we're going to dive into a really smart way to handle these kind of situations in Acumatica.
Oh, good.
And to help us break it all down, we've got Salman from Tiana Solutions.
Yeah.
Salman's been working in the ERP world for 5 years now and has tackled hundreds of different scenarios in Acumatica.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of different stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a great learning experience.
So he's got some amazing real-world insights to share with us.
I hope so.
So let's jump right in.
Sure.
It's pretty common for a customer to need an order shipped out earlier than the scheduled ship date, right?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
And that can create a bunch of problems, especially if you're trying to keep your ERP system accurate and up to date.
Exactly. You don't want to mess up your forecasting and reporting.
Right.
And you definitely don't want to accidentally promise a customer a delivery date you can't meet.
Exactly. So how do you handle those early shipment requests without throwing everything off?
Well, there's a really clever solution that a functional consultant at Dana Solutions named Saya Zakir Salma came up with.
Okay, cool.
Basically, it allows you to ship orders early without actually changing the original scheduled ship date on the sales order.
Wow, this sounds really helpful.
Yeah, it is.
So how does it work?
So the first step is to create a new sales order document.
Okay.
But this document isn't for the original order, it's specifically for the early shipment.
So it's like a separate container for the actual shipment that's happening earlier.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm following.
Then you go into this new shipment document and click on either Add or Add Order.
Got it.
This lets you link the shipment back to the original sales order.
Oh, that makes sense.
So when you do that, a dialog box will pop up, and you can select the specific sales order that needs to be shipped early.
So you're basically connecting the original order with this new early shipment.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, cool. What happens next?
Now here's the really important part. Acumatica is probably going to flag a warning because the original ship date and the actual ship date are different.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So what you do is acknowledge that warning and then change the scheduled ship date within this shipment document to the actual earlier shipping date.
So you're not changing the original sales order date at all.
Nope, just the date on the shipment record.
That's really smart.
And then the last step is just to add the line items from the original sales order to this new shipment.
Which now has the correct earlier ship date.
Exactly.
Wow, this is a really elegant solution.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
So you're basically fulfilling the urgent request, making the customer happy with a faster delivery, but you're also keeping your original sales order data intact for all your reporting and tracking.
It's the best of both worlds.
Exactly. You get to be flexible without sacrificing accuracy.
It really shows how important it is to understand all the capabilities of your ERP system.
I agree.
There are often really simple and efficient solutions built right in.
Yeah.
Just got to know where to find them.
Absolutely. And sometimes it takes an expert to point those things out.
That's true.
So if any of our listeners are using Acumatica and facing similar challenges, I highly recommend reaching out to Salman and the team at Tiana Solutions.
Thanks for the plug.
They have a ton of experience optimizing Acumatica Cloud ERP, resolving support issues, and supporting on-site consultants.
We do.
You can reach them anytime at 678-910-2774 to book a consultation and discuss your specific business needs.
We'd love to hear from you.
I think the key takeaway here is that even the small everyday challenges can be solved with the right expertise.
Absolutely.
Sometimes it's just about finding those hidden efficiencies that can streamline your operations.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So keep that in mind as you navigate your own business challenges.
Great advice.
Until next time.
See it.
Bye.
Bye.